All right, crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another tech tip video. So today's gonna be a quick video, guys. Today we will be installing this fan relay switch onto the truck, and you can do this with any of your fan or whatever. This is an aftermarket relay, and you can get this at any of your big box stores. So stay tuned, guys. Hang out with me for a couple of minutes and we're gonna get right into this video. So we're back over here at the truck, guys, with our relay switch that we actually got. And this relay switch is really self-explanatory. Some of these wires you may not be hooking up. I only have one fan. Of course, you see this has two fans that you can actually hook up. I actually could put one of the fans on a toggle switch, but I'm not going to do that. I think I have enough, and once it heats up, this fan works pretty good. So I got this fan here at the junkyard, as you guys know, and I'm gonna just repurpose it. So these are the wires coming out of my fan. You got a positive and negative. The first thing you need to do is try to find a nice spot away from heat that you can put your fan. And I believe I found a spot right here beside my radiator and on my fan. But I'm gonna put my relay here, or I may put it here. And then I have a spot here that I have a hole drilled, and I run my wires through there to hide the wires. So we're gonna go ahead and drill some holes and get it set up, and then we're gonna go from there. Now I also have another option. As you guys know, I'm using a PSI harness, and inside I could go a different route with the wires underneath the dash. They have two fan wires as well. I'm just gonna delete the ones off the PSI harness because I think they got it programmed to like maybe 200 or 220 at the factory. And this one here, which is my factory, which is the truck harness, this here has a fan switch, and that way I can adjust it on my thermostat. As you guys will see right down in there, there's a little dial. And I believe I may have it turned on around 190. Once I get everything hooked up, I'll test it out. And that rate switch right there, you go. That switch right there is the way you can manually adjust your thermostat. So let's go ahead and get this in place, and let's go ahead and do some wiring. Now we have our relays actually mounted in a very good secure place, and I can actually get to my switch and whenever I need to control the temperature. See right there, the switch right there. So the only thing we need to do now is distribute these wires so they'll be out the way. This here is my thermometer that I will have to put into my radiator, so I will just throw that over there out the way. My orange wire here that should be on the fuse. Let's see, get this here. This here will be going to my fan. I'm going to my fan, to my positive, to the fan. You'll have a red wire with a fuse, and that needs to go to a battery power. So I will come up, reroute it, and I will come behind my alternator, and we'll make a place for that. And then everything else will go inside of the grommet that we put in here, and we'll fish it through the inner fender. All right, crew. So we are back. It's been a few days, and I actually finished hooking up everything here with the aftermarket thermostat, and I got everything hooked up to the radiator. You guys, I showed you underneath already how nice and neat that was. I'm gonna push this thermometer like back in so it'll be tight. I have tested it with a heater, lamps, whatever, and it actually did come on. So I do know that it's working. I placed everything nice and neat the best I could. This was a very simple video, very simple instructions. Between a 1 and 10, I basically give it like a 5. It was very simple to install. So, hey, this is going to be a really quick tip video for you guys. I hope you also enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave comments down below. Help me out, and don't forget to share. And if you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Help me out so we can grow. And don't forget to cut your post notification bell on, guys, as well, so you get all the greatest and latest videos from me as soon as I post them. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.